How to delete your OnlyFans account permanently. So if you want to delete your OnlyFans account permanently, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your OnlyFans on your browser. And after opening it, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Go with the desktop site. Under your desktop site, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the left side, which has that three dots icon. After that, go with your settings. Now, under your settings, you need to go with the account section, which is on the third option. And under account, you need to go with the last option, which is delete account. So tap on delete account. Once you tap on delete account, now you need to enter the verification code. So you need to just enter your verification code. After entering your verification code, you need to go with delete account and your account will be permanently deleted. So go with yes, delete, and that's it. That's how you can delete your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.